For 3, I got C.
I got C. Yeah.
I also got C.
Okay. 4A.
Also got A.
5.
I got A for 5.
A as well, yeah.
Same.
Okay. 6, 0.75.
0.75.
Yep,
5.
0.75.
7.
7. 0.110.
I have 0.056.
I got 0.085.
Oh no, the 3 of us have different. I have 0.110. Let me see how.
But you got 0.75 for the point estimate, right?
Yeah.
Let me check to make sure that I did right.
So what I did was, are you guys discussing?
Yeah, I think so.
It
would be 0.75 times 0.25 divided by
n, which is 60,
and then take the square root of that.
Times.
I didn't multiply it by z, which would be 0.95. But that would make the
number smaller.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
let me do it again
because I think my answer might be 0.053.
Which is what you have, right?
I have 0.085.
How did you get your answer?
To be honest, I did it at 5 this morning.
Okay.
And I'm a little hazy. So,
I can tell you, I got the C score, which is, the C, which is 1.96 times the square root of
2.1 on the lesson.
2.1 on the lesson is where you need to look.
Okay.
Well, margin of error should just be, should just be Z, which is what, 1.96?
Yeah.
Okay. Times the square root.
Oh, what?
Huh?
1.96?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's the 95% confidence interval.
Yeah.
Where did you get the 1.96 from?
It's the confidence interval for 95. If you look under, let's see here.
It says the 95% confidence interval. I think that's what I got.
Yeah.
And it's 1.96.
So,
do you for that?
You got what?
And do you use the z-score for that?
Yeah.
The confidence interval number?
Yeah.
Okay, I wasn't thinking, and I just used 0.95 on that.
Okay. So I don't have a calculator by me. So the bug bombing basically wrecked my house and all of our stuff. I have no idea where any of it is, including my calculator. I'm actually using my wife's computer because the charging cord is missing on my computer. So I'm gonna need somebody else to do the calculations.
Okay.
But it should be.
So what was the z-score? It was 8 what?
No, 1.96.
1.96
times the square root of the p-value, which is
0.75 is what I have.
Yep. So 0.75 times 1 minus 0.75, all divided by the sample size.
60.
Which is,
60.
yeah.
So
so
my new
new
answer formula is 0.10 or 0.11.
0.11.
Yep.
Okay.
Which is what I have, but you have to have the third decimal, so I added a 0.
You don't have to do that.
I don't have to because it's a 0.
Yeah. If the last number is 0, you don't have to do that.
Okay.
As long as it's behind the decimal.
Okay, yeah.
Scientific rules apply here.
Okay.
Okay, number 8.
Hold on.
So number 8, I have 44.89.
44.89.
Is that what you have?
I would have to recalculate because I had the wrong answer for the margin of error. So the lower bound
should be 0.64.
0.64. Okay, because it should be.
Yeah, 75 or 0.75
or
minus
0.11.
So the lower bound should be the mean minus the margin of error, right?
Right.
Yes, so 0.75 minus 0.11.
Okay.
Oh, you're right. Okay, you're right.
Yeah.
So it's,
Yeah.
let me calculate. Yeah, it's 7. I had 45 minus 0.11. So let me calculate that. It's, what did you say? I guess I can do it. I can calculate it. 0.75 minus, okay.
Should
The lower bound.
be 0.64, right? Just
0.75 I have.
minus 0.11.
64, yeah.
Yeah. And then you add 0.11 to 0.75, so it'd just be 0.86.
0.74. Okay.
No, it'd be, so, yeah. So 9 should be 0.86. Okay. 10 should decrease.
Right. I have that.
Okay. All right. 11.
10.
I have 20.
20 is what I have as well. 1200.
Yep.
Does she also
have
have 20?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For 11, I have.
Yeah.
I'm good.
I have 20 as well. Then 12, I have 100.
And 13, I have true.
I have true as well.
What do you have for 12?
100.
100.
Okay.
Okay. 14. 0.475.
Yeah.
Okay.
15, I have a negative. Negative
2.475.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. 15, I have negative 1.14.
Oh, I have negative. I have negative 2.282.
Okay.
Negative 1.14.
Yeah, I don't trust my number.
Okay.
I guess we can try it once
If
with
you
your
if you
number.
want, I can add one before we turn it in.
or we can do it after.
Wrong, I can try to do it.
Okay.
Whichever you prefer.
Let's go. I think I don't know. Let's see if we agree on the p-value, Liana. What did you get for your p-value?
For let me see.
16.
Number 16, I got 0.011.
Yeah, I got a different answer.
0.16?
0.1.
Sorry, I missed that.
Okay. So you got 0.11 for 16, is that right?
0.1.
I haven't
I haven't done that one.
You're
Talking
talking
to
to
me.
I'm talking to Ileana. What was that, Ileana?
0.11.
Okay. I got a different number, 0.127. Okay, so we need to figure this one out.
Figure out 15.
Yeah.
So I have for 15, I have 0.475 minus 0.6 divided by square root of 0.6 parentheses 1 take away 0.6 parentheses divided by 80, and it gave me the answer of negative 2.282.
Okay. So you used a hypothesis test?
Yep.
Okay.
Did you want me to repeat that, or?
Sorry. Yeah, so a hypothesis test. Let me just check that. So what do you have for the? Okay. So what it was 0.475 minus what?
0.6
So
and then divide it
yes.
by square root of 0.6 parentheses 1 take away 0.6 parentheses.
Yeah, I'm going to stay on the
Get
phone
off of
and
the,
get off of the
Hangouts
Hangouts
so that I
so that I can use Excel so I can help out.
Okay.
Okay. And then divide it by 80. I can,
Okay.
it's a mess, I know.
Just back it up a little bit. Okay. So 0.6 is the p-value. Yeah, so your math looks right.
Did you get, okay.
Yeah, your math looks right. Wondering if I just made a mistake here.
I don't know.
What's the, but we're sticking, so both of you have negative 1.14 on the test statistic?
No. We have different numbers. So,
Okay.
Richard, so the values should be 0.475.
I have definitely gotten that far. Right now I'm trying to see if I can speed up through the rest of it.
Okay, so you've gotten through number 13 or no?
Well, I was working on
Okay.
that. So yeah, I got.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm basically just working with you guys. Yeah, so I'm working on that kind of group of problems just
Okay.
because you guys aren't or have a disagreement on it. So I'm trying to see if I can help out.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah. I know. Yeah, the Excel program. I'm not sure. Should it just be the one sample z-test for proportion?
That's what I was thinking, but actually what I might end up doing is I might end up, I think I might be able to figure this out using something else. Sure, maybe. I think you might be able to do this by hand, doing something we learned from last lesson, which is where you're doing the standard deviation by hand.
I think we have to do it by hand in this chapter, right?
Maybe.
I don't know.
Hello?
I don't know. I think we have to do it by hand on this chapter, but
Yeah, can you hear?
Yeah, for some reason I heard some weird beeping on my phone I'd never heard before.
Okay. Well, here, I gotta unplug Ileana so you can hear. Or I gotta unplug my headphones, so you can hear Ileana. Okay. Ileana, can you? Are you there?
I think we have to do it by hand on this chapter. I didn't see any instructions on SPSS or in Excel.
They're
I
here.
don't know.
Yeah, they're there.
But I didn't. Okay.
Okay, I think I can barely hear you, Ileana.
How about now? Can you say something, Ileana?
Yeah.
Okay, I can understand her.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I kind of agree with Ileana. I think we're supposed to do it by hand anyway. So, all right. Ooh. Ileana, you freezing or are you still there?
I'm here.
Okay, cool.
Looking at my computer here.
Okay, cool. No worries. I was just making sure you didn't freeze. So, what do you have a value for the test statistic?
Give me 1 second. I almost have the standard deviation.
Standard deviation. Huh? Standard deviation. Oh, yeah.
I'll be right back. I have to go upstairs and check really fast.
Sure.
I have to check on my daughter.
Yeah, sure thing.
Okay, the standard deviation that I got was 0.05477.
Okay.
Standard deviation, I think I can use that. Oh, wait. What was the test statistic again?
The test statistic?
Yeah, like what's the definition? The test statistic for what?
That's the thing. Honestly, I'm having a rough time. I don't really know, to be honest. The test statistic, I don't know. It's not equal to the z-score, is it? Right, Ileana?
Yeah.
It's not equal to the z-score, is it? The test
So
statistic?
it's z equals to value.
No, the test statistic, is that equal to the z-value?
Oh, yeah, the test statistic. It's value minus the mean and then the standard deviation. And if you go on lesson 17, I think it's, let me check on the other computer.
Okay.
It's on step 4.
Step 4, empirical research testing promotion, okay. Because that's where I am.
After those charts, after the circle pies, the pies, keep going down, and then you'll find it on above the applet graph.
Yeah, I see that, but it says z is equal to value minus mean over standard deviation.
Yeah, and the top it says the test statistic is. Do you see it?
Oh shoot! I don't know. I must be blind.
I must have done this wrong because the answer that I got was
Makes sense.
something absolutely ridiculous. That it's basically, I mean, it's, well, I don't know, maybe it's okay,
You
but
said
the value that I
Yeah,
got
the top.
you're right.
wrong.
I
I
think.
got 0.027.
Okay. I'm thinking, Eliana, I think your answer is right. Because
We can try.
With that, come back.
yeah,
where you're
because
wrong.
her math is right according to the book. So what did you get,
Okay.
Eliana?
The answer that I have is negative 2.282. That's what I wrote on that.
Okay. Are you pretty confident that you did your arithmetic right and everything?
I think so, but we can
Okay.
always just one of us turn it in, and if it
It
doesn't,
says negative 2.282.
That's right. Okay. Then the p-value, we just need to plug in a negative 2.82 into the applet. I have to go pull up the applet. Here. So what did you? So the applet. What did you get?
I got 0.011. That's what I wrote. How I wrote it.
2.82. No, it's 2. Sheesh.
I got 0.011.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay, sweet.
And then on 17, I went ahead and rejected the null.
That would definitely be rejected null.
Yeah, it would be rejected null. Which of the following summarize there is sufficient evidence to conclude that the water in the area has decreased. Okay, so that would be D for the last one, right?
D? I put B.
Yeah. So
Because of the question. If you go up to
the new hypothesis is that the water quality has decreased. So there is sufficient evidence to. So it should. I think there should be sufficient evidence to conclude that the water quality in the area has decreased. Because the null is that it's the same.
I think it's.
Let me see.
Water quality in the area has decreased. Yeah, there's sufficient evidence. So yes, D.
That's what anyway.
You put
Okay.
D.
Yeah.
Both of you put D. Okay.
Okay. Who wants to submit?
I'll go ahead and submit.
Okay. Fingers crossed.
Yeah. Still processing. Okay, we got 100%.
Yay.
100%. Yeah. Okay.
We got 100%.
Yeah.
Yep.
Did you get all those answers?
Great.
Or should we go through them so you can enter them?
I should be fine. If I'm wrong and I'm not able to figure it out, I will ask. I will